Hi, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to explain how rental income from a former residence can be used to help you finance a new home. When you own a rental property, the mortgage on that property counts as a debt, and it will factor into your loan qualification for a new home. To offset the debt, we can use the income earned from the rent that you are collecting to help you qualify for your new mortgage. Here's how it works. At a minimum, all loan programs require you to show proof of a 12-month lease, first month's rent, and a security deposit. Each loan program has different guidelines for using rental income for loan qualification, and some are easier to use than others. VA loans allow 100% of rental income to qualify. On the other hand, FHA requires you to live more than 100 miles away from the rental and to have at least 25% equity in the property. If those requirements are met, you can use 75% of the rental income to qualify. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac also allow you to use 75% of your rental income, but Freddie Mac requires at least 1 year of landlord experience. However, USDA requires you to show at least 2 years of rental income in order to use it toward qualification. To see if you qualify for a mortgage using rental income, give us a call to schedule a consultation with one of our loan officers or start your application online at ovmfinancial.com/quickstart.